1,
The crime rate rose.
2,
The crime rate went up.
3,
There was a sharp increase in crime. Sharp equals sudden and large.
4,
There was a gradual rise in crime.
5,
There was a spike in crime. Spike equals a sudden increase and then decrease.
6,
The crime rate reached its peak. Peak equals the highest point.
7,
The crime rate plateaued. Plateaued equals stayed at the same level.
8,
There was a slight decrease in crime.
9,
The crime rate dropped.
10,
The crime rate plummeted. Equals decreased a lot, very quickly.